Hello and welcome to Only 3.0. Hope you're having a fantastic morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are in the world. So, for today's video, I want to bring your attention to a very important concept category in cryptocurrency called NFTs or non-fungible tokens. This is a space you cannot ignore, and it's a space you really need to pay attention to. In my previous video, I started to share with you how Web2 companies, traditional companies like Disney, Nike, Adidas, are moving into crypto via NFTs, and why, I'll make another video later to tell you why I think NFTs will be the ultimate onboard for the general public into cryptocurrency, because where the public may not be able to understand Bitcoin and Ethereum and crypto assets, NFTs and what they represent is easier to understand, and the use case and application for NFTs in your everyday world is much easier to understand. There's likely to be a future where, your tickets are NFTs. So your ticket to an event, to a concert would be an NFT. Your bus ticket, your plane ticket would be an NFT. And there are many companies already starting to venture into this world. A lot of your art that's drawn and put on canvases and in different frames can be better represented as an NFT. And NFTs are just going to be the thing that allows the non-crypto educated to come into the space. So the first NFT project or collectible that was created was this project called CryptoKitties. So effectively, what CryptoKitties is a it's like a Pokemon type Tamagotchi combination where you can collect these things and breed them. So each of these pictures of beautiful cats were tokenized on the Ethereum blockchain, and they're all unique. So they've got different clothing, different items, different qualities and characteristics and traits, and people would breed these cats and trade them for each other. And this was the first application of non-fungible tokens into cryptocurrency, creating that ERC 721 standard, which NFTs are part of. And this basically spawned an incredible industry. So we moved away from, kind of this playful collectible into NFTs becoming an identity, intellectual property of their own. You've probably heard of the most successful, well, one of the most successful NFT projects out there called CryptoPunks. And this is what really kicked off the kind of NFT hype, especially the PFP, profile picture NFT hype. So CryptoPunks are the first crypto or NFT PFP profile picture project that absolutely took off in terms of valuations. During the peak of the NFT boom, CryptoPunks were being sold for $1 million plus. And a lot of people laugh at this because effectively they look at it as, well, it's just a picture. It's just a 24 by 24 pixelated picture stored on the Ethereum blockchain. Why does it have any value? Now, it's no different from any art, painting or whatever. What value does it have? It has value to the owner. So the owner is willing to pay X amount of money for it because it has some kind of intrinsic value to that particular person. And CryptoPunks effectively just exploded, as I said. When NFT market expanded in 2021, CryptoPunks were selling for in excess of $1 million each. It was an absolutely insane project, and it continues to do well even to today. And I believe it will probably continue to do well in the future. So many people have adopted NFTs. Projects, people, companies you didn't even expect to buy NFTs bought into CryptoPunks. I remember when this article came out that Visa, your big payment company Visa, bought a CryptoPunk, Punk 7610. Insane. So, what really gave NFTs, I believe, their kind of prevalence to the mainstream world was Beeple and $69 million sale in Christie's auction for his collection of artwork that was that was an NFT. this really showed NFTs to the world and the potential for there to be a collaboration and hybrid between art and the NFT world. You know, an artist selling NFTs for nearly $70 million just really piqued the mainstream media's attention, and this is when NFTs really started to get their prevalence. And that's a quick overview of what NFTs are and some of the kind of major projects that started off and the milestones that started off this NFT movement in cryptocurrencies. I don't want to spend too much time diving into NFTs, but the main point is of what an NFT is. But the main point is this is a space you need to follow. This is a category you need to be aware of, and I'll be making lots of videos in the future about why I think there's significant value in the NFT space and why crypto investors should be paying attention to this space. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research and make your own decisions, but this area just has significant potential to transform lots of the industries that we know today. So what kind of volumes is the NFT markets doing? Well, if you look at this chart here from Crypto Slam, you know, NFTs have pretty much been about since 2017. Then CryptoPunks were being traded, and you know, Crypto Kitties had a little hype, so that kind of gave it some volume. You saw here in a peak, it done nearly $2 million dollars of daily volume, so it was doing okay. But you know, throughout 2018 and 2019, it was basically flat, $6,000, $2,000 a day of volume, next to nothing. See, but then when the NFT boom happened in 2021 and cryptocurrency platforms were created like OpenSea and SuperRare, etc., the volume and unique buyers absolutely exploded. Look at this. We're talking about 2, 5, 10, 20 million. And at the peak, you know, you were talking about, NFTs doing $100 million of daily volume. You know, look at that. We were nearly 200 million here at the absolute peak. And if you look at some of the more blow-off tops, what's that? We were probably looking at, this is a 600 million daily blow-off top. Seems like a bit of wash trading there, but the general gist is we're looking at 100, 200 million a day of NFT volumes. So where we're here at, you know, tens of thousands, towards the peak of the NFT boom, we were looking at 100 millions. Obviously, it's scaled back a bit now to, you know, kind of 10, $20 million region, but that's still a significant improvement from where they came from in 2018, 2019. We're looking at tens of thousands. People are really embracing this NFT space. It's definitely a huge category in the cryptocurrency market. So don't just look at this as like a, you know, a picture of a monkey or a picture of a cat or a picture of whatever thing a profile picture could be. What you need to think of NFTs as are digital property rights. Just like Disney is a collection of various pictures, because that's what they are. You know, Mickey Mouse is a picture, the Marvel's collections of pictures, they're just pictures. But those pictures have a brand and they have something called intellectual property, which the owner of the intellectual property can commercialize and generate a handsome fee for selling products and services related to that intellectual property. So too are NFTs, similar intellectual properties to the brands that Disney has. An NFT is not a picture, and it should not be viewed as a profile picture. It should be viewed as the rights to that intellectual property, because that's what a lot of these NFT brands of today will become tomorrow. They will become our big intellectual property brands of the future. And we've already seen some of the moves some of these NFT and cryptocurrency projects are doing to move their projects from a more speculative profile picture into a household brand. So pay attention to this space. NFTs are going to be big. They already, you know, kind of got the mainstream attention, but they're nowhere near the potential of where they could be. Keep an eye on this market and pay attention to it, because NFTs are going to be a huge narrative in the cryptocurrency space for the years to come and for the next bull market. I'll be making some videos about what NFT projects I like watching and why I watch them, and what NFT projects I'm building positions in. Again, not financial advice. You need to make an assessment on whether this is an investment for you. But for me, this space is exciting. It offers lots of potential, lots of opportunity, and I'm really paying attention to this space. Hope like that just brief overview of NFTs, what they are, what were the key catalysts that set off the NFT trend, and what the volumes look like. And I hope you're looking forward to more content on NFTs in the future. Thank you for tuning in to All New 3.0. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share.